Hi, I'm Kristen Strand, heading the Danfoss Climate Solutions. I'm here at the AHR show in Las Vegas, and I want to tell you a little bit about all the investments that we're doing into Danfoss and how we keep up with this fast-moving industry. So first of all, we had also last year a record high investment level into innovation within our company. So this is super important. And where do we then put the money? Well, we put it into three areas, and let me start with the most important first, people. We invest a lot into our people, but also into the customers, into our application development centers to stay ahead of the curve and to really keep up with the pace in the industry. Then we invest into product development, product innovations, and last but not least, we invest into our footprint. It's super important nowadays to follow not only the volumes, but also have supply chains that is resilient and be close to our customers. And also last year and this year, we continue the investments in new factory and new footprint. So a lot of things going on in Danfoss so that we can keep on being the preferred partner for our customer and keep up with the speed of the innovation.